Good morning, students. This is my first class interaction with you all in 9th standard. I hope you all are good and safe. Children, I know you don't have IT book, so I will upload the chapter one by one from your book on ERP for your reference. You have to make one notebook for IT from the given notebook set. Don't make any interleaf notebook. You have to write the notes of every chapter in your notebook and do the assignments on separate loose sheets. Remember, only loose sheet. I have already uploaded the notes and assignment of Unit 1, that is Introduction to IT and ITES Industry Day Bags. So, write the notes in your notebook from ERP and do the assignments on loose sheets. So here, this year also, we have two parts in IT, part A and part B. And we will start Unit 1 of part B, which is Introduction to IT and ITES. So here, let's start. So class, first of all, what do you mean by IT? So here, IT stands for Information Technology, which means creating, managing, storing and exchanging information. IT includes all type of technology used to deal with information. So what type of information we are dealing with? As computer, hardware and software technology. All the technology which we are using to create or store. So that all type is information technology. So here computer takes data as input, processes and produce the result as output. So you all know computer work in two pattern. First is input and second is output. So here first computer data take as input, processes and it will give the result as output. So the information in the result of data processing. Here data refers to the fact or raw material. The data we are providing on which the computer is processing, that we call as data to get the information. So now here again let's start with IT. So IT is tightly integrated part of business. You all know it is very important as IT play a vital role in every business. So computer and information system are essential part of every business today. Without computer, without we can say technology, we cannot do anything, because today everything is related with computer and computer helps us in so many ways that it solve a problem within a few minutes. We don't need something, we only need a computer and internet and it solve all the queries, all the things which we want. So here IT has several benefits for a business, because today IT or digital business are very popular. Why? See, IT play a very important role, and because of IT today business are very popular. As earlier days people don't know about your company or the product you are selling, but today with the help of IT every person know the business, every person know the product, the quality we are producting. Customer can buy it and customer can also know that thing with the help of IT, with the help of the advertisement we are going through. So IT helps in reaching more potential customer, which means the needy one customers who actually need the services. Second is developing a business relationship with potential customer, which means we can take an example. What do you mean by relationship with potential customer? For example, we give a review of a product. If we don't like the product, so here the customer, we give a review. Suppose we don't like the product with the company of that particular company. So here when we give the review from that particular company, a person reply us and they listen to our feedback. So here, this create a relationship between the customer which help us in business growth. So here, this particular point helps us in growing a business. So next point is streaming operations. Next is reducing cost. Reducing cost means, like in earlier days when we don't have computer or we don't have that technology, so we have to pay a big amount for advertisement. So today that particular part computer does, the technology does, the IT does. So here this reduce the cost, and after reducing cost we have time and we improve our efficiency. Efficiency means that we improve the quality, the quantity of the product we are giving to the customer. So after that, when we improve the efficiency, we get maximum profit and minimum wastage. And last, providing better service to customer. And after all, when we do all the things, at last we provide the service, better service, so that customer should be happy and give us and support us for a growth. So supporting better relationship with key partner and allowing customer to better guide the business. So here also customer guide us also sometimes when we need their help. So here next topic is ITES. So ITES stands for Information Technology Enabled Services. So here information technology that enables the business by improving the quality of the service is information technology enabled services. So this particular term help us to improve the quality of the business and to give the best service so that a company could get more profit and we satisfy our customer by giving good quality. So ITS is also called web enabled services or remote services that cover entire operation which exploit information technology for improving the efficiency of an organization. These services provide a wide range of career option. Career option means like it give many employment to the particular person. Like what are the career options? It includes all offices like call center, payroll, logistic management, revenue claims, processing, medical billing, coding, medical, legal database, back office operations. Yes, back office operations means the call center, the BPOs, back-end operations, in which apart from calling there are many things which the customer wants or which the employee does. Content development, you all know content development, the advertisement, the different content which we see. GIS stands for Geographical Information System, Web Service and Human Resource Services. So these are the services, these are the career options which you get in ITES. So again, let's discuss again ITES in another term. What is means by? So ITES is defined as outsource of process that can be enabled with information technology and cover diverse area like finance, HR, administration, healthcare, telecommunication, manufacturing, etc. So let's take an example. For example, if we own a company like manufacturing company, so our company we need to hire. In that particular case, what ITS helps? ITS is like we hire another IT company which handles all the work of our company, including manufacturing, production, profit, loss, etc. So this particular services are provided by another IT company and that thing is called ITES. So here Enabled services radically reduce cost and improve service standard. So what ITES do? ITES reduce the cost. How? Suppose if we are the production house, we are selling the product, and if the online process is not available, let's talk about the earlier days. There are no online services, so for that we need to sell offline. Okay, we need to sell offline. So here so many distributors who increase the cost and then sell. Of course they take their profit part and then they forward the product to the next distributor or to the customer by taking their profit. So this enable services do, we actually cut that distributor part and we sell the product online so that the profit is less and the customer get happy and customer get the product in less amount and he or she will be happy. So that's enable services do. It do the things, right? So if we sell the product, we get the high cost and here's the direct deal with the customer. So in short, service provider, internet service provider aim to provide B2B business e-commerce solutions. So what is internet service provider? Examples are Idea, Airtel and Jio. These all companies are internet service provider. Actually what they do, they actually do B2B. B2B stands for business to business. Like it starts with business and end with business. ITES offers different services integrated in a single delivery mechanism to end the user. So here what ITES offer? It offer different services which integrate in a single delivery. Means we are dealing directly, right? So ITES offer different services integrated in a single delivery mechanism to end users. So in this process, ISP, internet service provider, it start with business and end with business. But in ITES, it start with business but it end with user. Okay, the services may include medical transcriptions, customer relationship management, data entry, data processing, software development, data warehouse, IT help desk services. IT help desk services is if you have queries related IT, so every company have a help desk which help you to solve your problem. Enterprise resource planning, telecom communication services. So here is ITES complete. So next start with BPO services. So class, what you understand by BPO? So here first the definition of BPO. It is very important, students. You all should know the definition of ITES, IT, B2B and BPO. It can come in one word in your exam from 1 marks. So BPO stands for business process outsource. So BPO services means performing business operations through an outside service provider. Correct? So you all know a bigger company hire an IT service and that particular service give all the related things that BPO needs. BPO also come out under IT services as IT play a very useful role in optimizing the business performance. The BPO industry is highly organized and hence various kinds of jobs are outsourced in India. Like companies hire BPO and they do all the survey on the behalf of that company. Suppose there is A company, A is the big company and that company hires B to do all the company work of A. So that B company is BPO company. That BPO company do all the work, so like their services, the survey on behalf of that company. So you all know India has expertise in reducing cost with firm control on quality of the services. So some of the BPO services are financial and accounting services. You all know financial and accounting. Second is taxation and insurance. Insurance means sometimes you get a call like do you need insurance? So that is also a part of BPO. Next is e-publishing and web promotions. You all know website web promotion, you get ads, you get whenever you're surfing on net, you get some ads which tells you that in that particular amount you can get a website, you can create a website. So that is what web promotions. D, legal services and content writing. Next is multimedia designing services, document management service, software testing service, healthcare services. So these are the services in which BPO established. Next is advantage of BPO. So here what are the advantage of BPO? BPO services doing exceptionally well in industry in India because of the following. So these are the advantage. Because of that, BPO is doing very good. A, BPO service provided in India invest in high-tech hardware and software to deliver the best services. They follow quality check to ensure error-free and exception services. Yes. So you all know India is high-tech. Here many people know the hardware and software process. So in India, when we give our services to another company, it give the best hardware and software delivery, right? So they follow quality check. So before we give a service, we check and ensure ourselves that the service we are providing is error free and exceptional services. Second point, government of India is encouraging BPO. So here our government is very cooperative. The government encourage us and the BPO industry in India by providing necessary infrastructure and logistic support. So government helps us. It gives the best infrastructure and the logistical support. Logistical means the import and export. Like you can say, you all know about Amazon and Flipkart. Yes, Amazon and Flipkart are the example of logistical support. So we buy a product from any part of the country and they deliver in a home. So that is logistical. And last point is BPO industry in India is highly developed and capable of delivering numerous types of BPO services in exceptional quantity. So beta, in this particular thing we tell about that BPO in India are highly developed. You all know BPO is playing a very important role as many of the employees. It gives many jobs to unemployed people as they can apply and they can improve themselves, they can improve their knowledge with the help of BPO. So in India it's highly developed because of so many customers, so many employees. It is highly developed and capable of delivering numerous types of BPO services. So here BPO in every service you can see, in calling, in idea, right, in customer services. If you have some problem in you can say hardware problem, there is also BPO service for that. So in every field BPO is playing a very important role. So for today that's all. I hope you are good and please be safe. Hope you have a nice day.